Hello everyone, it's me Chelsy Salma. I'm from 12th grade Science 1. Today I will share a tutorial on how to use washing machine. First of all, put water into the washing machine drum. After that, pull in the clothes you want to wash. Next, pour in enough detergent. Next, turn on the washing machine. Until the washing time finish. And then, remove the dirty water into the drain hose. And voila, you have successfully used the washing machine. Ayah, takut kamu. Mimi. I'll pour the water into the washing machine drum. Voila, you have. And voila. Pakai bubuk nggak bisa? Bubuk? Nggak ada. Pencet.
I remember the way you glanced at me as I remember